What you find luxurious is always subjective to personal taste. And today we are out driving the Lexus ES300h, which according to us is the perfect balance of luxury and practicality in the mid-size luxury car segment. So is this good enough? Is this luxurious enough? Is this premium enough? Let's find out. Now many would say that under the skin of the Lexus brand, this is a complete Toyota Camry. But it has its fair share of changes and luxurious feel and appeal to it. How does it drive? Let's find out.
The Lexus badge is still fairly new, and hence you don't see as many cars out on the Indian streets. This luxury car brand, which is owned by Toyota, is slowly and steadily opening up dealer network in India. And the after-sales support for now is taken care of by Toyota dealers. But trust us when we say the Lexus range of cars have their own share of charm. A lot has been said that the Lexus ES shares plenty of components with the Toyota Camry. But both cars are in a league of their own. With prices starting at Rs 60 lakh ex-showroom, the ES is by no means an affordable mid-size luxury car. In fact, it is the most expensive than the German rivals. But Lexus is sure that their hybrid cars will eventually find their way into the garages of the rich. One glance at the Lexus ES and you just can't miss the XL-sized spindle grille in chrome at the front. This is the most defining element of any Lexus car on sale currently and has polarizing opinions towards it. It doesn't look bad, but it's just too big. Overall finish though, and how the grille just steals the entire show, is quite a highlight. Then you have the LED headlamps with LED DRLs and front fog lamps with chrome accents as well. There's ample chrome all around the car to make it feel luxurious. On the side and rear you have subtle crease lines, and the L-shaped LED tail lamps also try to please the onlookers. Dual tone alloy wheels, shark fin antenna, lip spoiler and the Lexus logo with shades of blue hinting that this is a hybrid do a decent job of elevating the exterior design appeal. Now the exteriors are radical, but the interiors are rather simple. And here by simple we don't mean boring, but very elegant. Lexus hasn't tried too hard to please with touch controls and other such XL-sized screens inside. The dual-tone interior theme of the Lexus ES in brown and black is very well suited to the Indian conditions, as it will be easy to maintain. The Speedo console is a twin-port layout with a MID in between. The infotainment screen on the dashboard is not a touchscreen but displays all the basics you might need to stay engaged during the drive. Buttons are large and easy to use. There's use of wooden inlays and silver panels all around for a better cabin experience. What we disliked was the joystick controller for the infotainment screen. It's just not as intuitive and annoys you in fact with its sensitivity. Also, there is no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on offer. The Mark & Levinson audio system is great and as per luxury standards. Seats are accommodating and come with ventilation as well. At the back, two adults can be seated very comfortably, while the fifth passenger will feel uncomfortable due to the transmission hum and rear AC vents. For further feel good, you have an electric rear sunblind and sunroof as well. You will notice that there are a few elements like switches which have been shared with the Toyota Camry, but this doesn't really make or break the deal for us. The Lexus ES300h comes only in one variant and in one hybrid powertrain option. This car makes use of a 2.5-litre petrol motor which is naturally aspirated and is also coupled to an electric motor. While the gasoline motor produces 160 horsepower and the electric motor produces 104 horsepower, the claimed power output of the Lexus ES300h is 202 HP, and Lexus claims that this car can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 8.5 seconds. And also it has an electronically limited top speed of 180 km per hour. You want to know about fuel efficiency? Well, it's rated at an impressive 17.8 kmpl. The 4-cylinder inline DOHC 16-valve motor coupled to the sealed nickel metal hydride battery is very refined. The engine is butter smooth and there are no vibrations felt at all. When you step in and press the engine start button, the Lexus ES300h comes to life in pure EV mode. This means that as soon as the button is pressed, the car is ready to go. You don't even feel that there is anything under the hood that has fired up. This just adds so much to the overall experience. You can start crawling in EV mode for a while till the engine starts powering the wheels, and when this happens, it is so seamless that you can't even tell. It's only when you press the pedal hard is when you hear the engine, and thanks to the CVT gearbox, the revs stay on a high till you lift off. The hybrid powertrain is just fantastic. There's nothing else in the market which offers you a driving experience as the Lexus does. Pin drop silence. You get eco, normal and smooth driving modes. But with the EV function just pleasing you so much, most would stick to Eco for a smooth and seamless ride. For highway overtaking or when you want to have some fun, you get paddle shifts which engage you more with the car's motor. The entire cabin experience, be it from the driver's seat or at the back, the Lexus ES300h feels plush and doesn't make you regret your choice.
If you want a luxurious head turner, the Lexus with this spindle grille definitely makes the cut. It feels good, it drives good, it feels super premium, and with the hybrid motor, it gives you a very silent cabin. If you would ask us, should you buy it? Definitely you should. Because in terms of what it has and the practicality of Toyota underneath this Lexus brand will keep you a happy customer.